Rubbish-free lunchbox.
What is a rubbish-free lunchbox?
A rubbish-free lunchbox is a lunchbox that has no rubbish such as juice boxes, chip packaging, glad wrap or lolly wrappers.
When should you have a rubbish-free lunchbox?
Every Friday, 2 people from the environmental group will come to your class to see if anyone is rubbish-free.
If you come rubbish-free on a Friday, you will have a chance to win a prize at assembly. Only 2 people can win a week.
So try to come rubbish-free on Fridays, but any other day is okay.
What does a rubbish-free lunchbox look like?
As you can see in this picture, there are no wrappers and food are in containers. This is a rubbish-free lunchbox, which is what we want you to have.
What does a lunchbox with rubbish look like?
As you can see in this picture, the lunchbox has lots of rubbish. It has packaging, wrappers and juice box containers. This is not what we want. Using Ziploc bags are okay as long as you reuse them.
Thank you from the environmental team.
And Thomas.